I discovered later why tracking and blurring the license plate in the color page produced poor results. So, I used the planar tracker in Fusion. Use the Shift and Spacebar to select the tool menu to load the planar tracker. Now, make a selection around the license plate. Accuracy isn't too important at this point. In the inspector under Controls, the default mode is Track. Now, change Tracker from Point to Hybrid Point Area. I left the motion type as Perspective. Use the Set button if you're not at the start or end of the timeline. Click Track to end, and our tracking is complete. Next, create a planar transform node which contains all the tracking information. To create the blur effect, return to the Edit page and duplicate the clip by pressing Option or Alt and dragging it up. Then, return to the Fusion page. From the primary nodes, drag a matte control node down and connect it using the Shift key. Then, connect the planar transform to the blue input of the matte control. Next, add a polygon node and connect it to the yellow input of the planar transform. This has caused some nodes' text to turn red, indicating an issue with rendering. I'll fix this later. With the polygon node selected, make a detailed selection of the license plate. To fix the issue of the matte control node not rendering correctly, select the matte control node, go to the inspector under Settings, and check Apply Mask Inverted and Multiply by Mask. Now we have transparency. Go back to the Edit page and select a blur to add to the bottom clip. The lower blurred, tracked clip is now visible through the transparent area of the upper clip. In the Gaussian Blur Inspector, I adjusted the amount and made a slight color adjustment in the horizontal channel. Tracking in the color page has known issues in versions 2.0.2.1 and 2.0.2.2 that can sometimes cause poor results. In the color page, select a power window, then use the pen tool to make a selection of the license plate. This selection can be adjusted and feathered later. Select the tracker and use the default settings. To start tracking, click the double arrows. One option is to drag a blur from the library onto the clip node. I'm not using this option here. I will select Blur and drag the radius up. I prefer a partial blur to a full blur. We can use the window outside softness to feather the selection. This is a quick and easy method that works well most of the time.